Hey everybody, in this video we're going to identify the characteristics of the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So first of all, come over here and grab a marker. So let's first look at the x-intercept. Okay. Now the x-intercept is where the graph touches the x-axis. Okay, right there. So the location of the x-intercept, okay, is -2 and 0. And the important thing to remember about this, okay, is that the y value is 0 because the point doesn't go up and down. It's staying right on that line, right? So -2 is the x value, and more importantly, the y value is 0. Now let's take a look at the y-intercept. Again, the y-intercept is the point of the graph where it touches the y-axis, right? And the key thing about this location is at 0 and 2. So notice the x value this time is 0 and the y value is 2. So the key thing to remember about this, okay, is the x-intercept, the y value is 0, and for the y-intercept, the x value is 0.